We are here at Jubilee bus stand in Sikandrabad, where in fact a big rush in all the buses, people trying to go back from Hyderabad to their native places in order to be able to vote on Monday. Both the Telugu states, of course, going to be voting, and in Andhra Pradesh you have not just the parliament elections but also the assembly elections, and big numbers of people from Andhra Pradesh who are residing in Hyderabad and yet have their vote from this side. So, ఇంటికి వెళ్తున్నారా voting కోసం? Where are you going?
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్
ఓటింగ్ అండ్ కలిసి వచ్చిందనమాట వీకెండ్ కూడా మీకు, లేకపోతే కూడా వెళ్తారా?
వెళ్తాం.
వాట్ అబౌట్ మీరు కూడా అంతేనా? ఏ ఊరు?
కనిగిరి.
ఓటింగ్ కోసం అని ప్రత్యేకంగా వెళ్తున్నారు.
అవును.
Okay, so many people like this in fact who do stay in Hyderabad and then want to go across for voting. You are also travelling
Yes.
for elections.
Yes.
Exciting elections in Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, exciting.
So you follow the politics back there or follow the politics in Telangana more, or both Telugu states?
Yeah, both styles I am following regularly.
Usually all the Telugu speaking people, I would think, are quite excited about both the states, politics in both states. What we do understand is that not just the buses that are full but private vehicles as well, political parties also organizing free rides, because of which huge numbers of people are taking that option as well. And in the highways, in fact, there is quite a traffic jam because the highways are now getting quite chock-a-block because of the huge numbers of people who are travelling from Telangana to Andhra Pradesh to vote in these elections. Hopefully, the turnout will be big this time round and we will not be disappointed with the numbers. In Sikandrabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.